Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jabulani Sinyazo and I'm with Marie Siluru, and as we do, we bring you the latest news that is making headlines in and around Rustenburg. I'm going to start by a warning that's been given out by the Rustenburg local municipality about a tender fraud. There's somebody who's going around phoning suppliers, telling them that he can fix their processes of getting tenders at the Rustenburg local municipality. If you hear of somebody like that, you must go to the Rustenburg local municipality and report that person or go to your nearest police station.
Dan, welkom ook van my kant af. Nou, iets wat rarig groot in die nuus is hierdie naweek is die registrasie naweek vir almal wat wil stem. Now, Rustenburg, take note. The demarcations of the wards have changed. So even if you still have the name, surname, address, age, whatever else might have changed in your personal life,
You still need to check.
but you haven't moved, you still need to check if you are correctly registered, because as I say, the ward demarcations have been updated. See all the details on page 5 or contact your ward councillor. We had a situation this week where some of members of the public could not vote in the by-election of Ward 5 because they were not correctly registered. So please do your due diligence and find out if you are correctly registered, not just registered.
And on the same spirit of voting, Home Affairs is going to be open this weekend. That's going to be on Saturday and Sunday for the issuing and collection of smart IDs. Now it's going to be open from 8 o'clock all the way up until 5 o'clock. More information is in the newspaper.
Dan, hierdie afgelope Sondag was 'n groot sportdag op ons kalender met die Comrades Marathon. Nou, dit is regtig om iets om op trots te wees, die feit dat 60 atlete vanuit Rustenburg deelgeneem het, en onder daai 60 atlete was daar 4 silwer medaljes en dan ook nog 'n klompie ander. Op bladsy 23 is die volledige uitslae van Run Walk for Life se klublede wat deelgeneem het. Dis nou vir die lang asems en dan nou ook nou vir ons met die verkykers wat op die TV gekyk het, want dis wat die meeste van ons maar kan doen, is net ondersteun. Maar wel gedaan aan al hierdie Pike marathon atlete.
Well, do not forget that you can enter the art competition of the Rustenburg Herald and stand a chance to win R1,000 every month, and also stand a chance to win a shopping voucher of R10,000 courtesy of Rustenburg Herald and Pick n Pay, BS Nodia and Greystone Crossing. Please go to the newspaper and do not miss that opportunity to make some money.
Ja, en dan eindig ek nou vandag met die voorblad, net so vir ietsie anders.
Ja.
Dit is nou omdat hierdie komende Sondag Vadersdag is. So, ons het 'n baie oulike gesin op ons voorblad, 4 seuns in een gesin. Hierdie behalwe nou vir die pa, ek wil die ma, die arme ma. Maar in elk geval ons kyk na die vaders hierdie Sondag wat nou kom. So ons wens al ons leedsers, die wat papas is, die wat ooms is, oupas, ouer broers, almal wat instaan met vaderlike pligte. Gelukkige Vadersdag. We see what you do, we appreciate what you do, shaping the new generation, the enormity of taking this responsibility of being a father that does his job properly cannot be minimized. So veel geluk aan al die vaders en daarmee groet ek dan nou ook vir hierdie week.
Thank you. Happy Father's Day to all of us. See you again next week.